Hello everyone, welcome to CAPSA. Today's topic is Adenylyl Cyclase pathway. So what is cell signaling? Cell signaling occurs through a step-by-step transduction pathway from the cell surface to the inner cell to produce a specific cellular response by a receptor and a signaling molecule. When the signaling molecule binds with the highly specific receptors, conformational changes occur and signaling initiates. Now, what is G protein linked receptor or G protein coupled receptor? It is a surface receptor. When a signal molecule binds with this receptor, it activates a heterotrimeric protein known as G protein, which then activates an ion channel or enzyme. This receptor relays its message by activating a second molecule known as second messenger like cyclic AMP, calcium 2+, etc. Now, what do you mean by heterotrimeric? Heterotrimeric means this G protein consists of three subunits, that is alpha, beta and gamma. What G stands for? G stands for guanine, nucleotide binding protein. Okay. Binding protein. Now, what do you mean by adenylyl cyclase? It is an enzyme that catalyzes the reaction producing cyclic adenosine monophosphate from the adenosine triphosphate or ATP. It activates by the GS type subtypes of G protein linked receptor and inhibits by GI subtype. Okay. Now, what are the steps of that pathway? When a signaling molecule binds with a cell surface receptor, the surface receptor activates GS type of G protein. Okay. Then this GS protein activates the membrane bound adenylyl cyclase enzyme. This enzyme catalyzes the synthesis of cyclic AMP from ATP, which binds to a target protein. Then conformational changes occur and target protein shows the cellular response. Now we will understand this pathway through a diagram. Okay. When signaling molecule when a signaling molecule binds, then it activates the receptor. Receptors. As a result, activation of the G protein this G protein then activates the adenylyl cyclase enzyme, which then synthesizes the cyclic AMP. As a result, cyclic AMP level increases. Increase in the cyclic AMP causes binding to the target protein. Target protein, okay, means the target protein TP plus cyclic AMP binding. Okay. After binding, there will be a conformational change. Obviously, there will be a conformational change. As a result, cellular response occurs. Okay. Thank you for your attention.